everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new, if you're new. Hi, I'm Emma. I'm so happy you're here, and today's video is going to be the third installment of my Disney series. We will be packing for Disney! Yay! I'm so excited. I leave in 2 days. Right now it's Friday. I leave on Sunday, like evening, night. If you've been here since the last Disney series, you know how much this trip means to me. I go every year with my friends, and it is just the best week of the year. So if you would like to watch the other videos in my Disney series, either from this year or last year, I will have them linked somewhere in this video, probably up in one of these corners. And then if you would like to see what I do in Disney before the actual vlogs come out, follow me on my Instagram at fitsbym. I'm just so excited to share everything with you. Let's get into the video. This is my suitcase. I have had it for years. I used it in my last pack with me video. It has a little 2 pockets and then the big pocket, and it extends out. I'm gonna be packing kind of backwards, so I have my first outfits on top that I'm gonna wear. So my first outfit is my travel day outfit, and I'm not gonna pack this, but I figured I would show you what I'm wearing to travel to Disney. I checked the weather and it's gonna be around 70s, so I'm just gonna be wearing this tank top from Shein, and then my airy crossover yoga pants. I literally would live in these if I could, but I'm just gonna be wearing this, and then I'm wearing my Air Forces right now, but I will be wearing those to the airport so I don't have to take up space in my bag with them. And then I have my plane bag, which if you watched my park bag video that I posted a couple weeks ago, it is my Belle Loungefly that I'm gonna be bringing to the parks with me, but I figured might as well not take up space in my suitcase. So in here, I have my charging bag, like with all my chargers and my magic band and everything. And then I also have my wallet with everything in it. In my wallet, I keep earplanes because I have like a pressure sensitivity for the plane, and so I have to wear those because I will have a splitting headache if I don't, and it will be really painful. And then I also have my blue Beats, which I just took out of the case because the case is a little bulky for this bag. They're noise canceling, so it's like really nice when I'm like on the airplane. And then I have my water bottle. I've been reading this book. It's called The Silent Patient. It's really good. If I do another book video, I will talk more about it in there. And then this little clip, I'm bringing it to use for my ears so I can hang them on my bag when I go on rides. That's what's in my plane bag. Nothing too crazy. So the first outfits I'm gonna be packing, it's like 2 days. The first one is for when I go back to Alina's house. We're gonna be staying with her for all of Friday before we fly out on Saturday. I'm just packing this pair of shorts, which I got at Old Navy. I think I did a try on haul of them. And then to go with it, because I'm probably gonna wear those shorts like twice, I have this little tank top. Look at the back, it's so cute. And then also for if I wear it a second day, I'm gonna be wearing it with this tank top from H&M, which is also in that try on video. And then my Thursday outfit, I'm kind of deciding between 2. This year, we're definitely doing the Peter Pan Disney bound that we've been doing every year, but we also had a Marvel Disney bound, but then I kind of got like weird, so we'll see if I participate in it. But if I don't, I have my Miss Piggy kind of Disney bound, which is my white tennis skirt that's from Amazon with this tank top from Altered State that I can just tuck in and make cropped. And then I have my Miss Piggy ears, which I got last year. They're so cute. So that's if we don't do the Marvel Disney bound. If we do the Marvel Disney bound, I have my biker shorts from Old Navy, and then also I have this Marvel shirt that has the cap shield on it that I think I actually got last year too. Alina is gonna probably bring me cap ears because she's gonna be Bucky if we end up doing that Disney bound. So I'm gonna pack those first. So the next day that I'm packing for is our Magic Kingdom day, which is when we're doing the Peter Pan Disney bound. So every year I've been Tinkerbell, so I've just changed my little outfit every year. But this year I had the idea to do a Y2K inspired Disney bound for our Peter Pan, and so texted the group chat. They were like, what does that mean? And so I had to explain it. Here is my outfit for Tinkerbell. So I have this little top that I got from Shein. It's so cute. And then to go with it, I have this skirt, and I got it when I went home for the weekend. And it's like, it's so cute. It's not low-waisted, but honestly it could be. And then to go with it, I'm gonna be wearing these Tevas that I got. They were like my Christmas present to myself. And they're so cute, they're like platform. And then my ears are these Peter Pan ears that Hannah made for us last year. That's my Tinkerbell Disney Bound. And then Alina's parents were nice enough to make reservations for all of us to go to Ohana for dinner, I believe. So I'm gonna be wearing this dress. This is from Urban Outfitters. I'm gonna be wearing that to Ohana for dinner. Probably either with my Tevas or with my Air Forces, you know, it's not like super dressy, but I wanna look nice. So for Tuesday, we are going to Animal Kingdom and Epcot. I'm gonna be wearing this little tank top, which is like, it's the same as the blue one that I'm wearing to travel to Florida, with my green shorts from Aerie. They're just like lounge shorts. They're so comfy. Probably my favorite shorts I own, to be honest. For ears, I'm gonna be wearing these ears. Look how cute. I made them myself. I think they go with the theme of like Animal Kingdom and it's Flower and Garden Festival. On Monday, I have a couple options. So we're going to Kona Cafe on Monday, which I'm gonna be wearing this top from Molly Green. This whole outfit is gonna be from Molly Green. And then this skirt, it's like a little mini pencil skirt. How cute. Monday is our Disney Springs slash like pool day, relaxing day. So the next thing, these are just my PJs. I have this Hercules t-shirt that I got at the Disney store when it was closing. And then I have these shorts. The next thing that I'm gonna be packing is bathing suits. So I have 2 bathing suits right now. This bathing suit is from Aerie. It's so comfortable, and it looks purple on the screen, but it's blue. And then to go with it, I have these high cut thong kind of bikini bottoms. Both of these are from Aerie. And then the next bathing suit I got on Shein because I needed something quick and kind of cheap. Aerie bathing suits are honestly like, they're really good quality and they're really nice, but they were a little bit expensive for me. So I got this one on Shein. It's so cute. It's like an underwire polka dot bikini, and then these are the bottoms. Same like design and everything. They're super cute. Next, we're gonna move on to like toiletries and makeup and all of that. So this is my toiletry bag. It's the same one I used last year, same one I use all the time. It's from LL Bean. And why I like it is because it has, first of all, it has so much storage, and then also it hangs down from your bathroom like hooks and stuff at hotels. So it's like very useful. It's kind of like a little toiletry on the go. I'm probably not going to be showing you like the skincare and like hygiene stuff because one, I need to use it, so I won't be showing you that, but it's okay. I'm also going to be checking bags, so I'm bringing more like full-size liquids especially. So the first things that I'm bringing and packing are jewelry. So these are the earrings I'm going to be wearing. These gold hoops are my favorites, and I usually wear them with these snake earrings. And then I have these dinosaur earrings, which I'm probably going to wear to Animal Kingdom, and these pearl earrings. If I do my eyebrows, I'm bringing my soap bar, my glycerin, clear glycerin soap, my little spoolie that I use to do it, and then this water spritzer. That's really all the makeup I'm gonna be bringing. I'm also bringing, this is the fan I use to make my eyebrows dry when I do my soap brows. And then I don't use mascara, but I have this eyelash curler that I like to use, and then my like little comb-y. So that's pretty much it for like makeup and all of that. For my hair, I'm gonna be bringing this black little claw clip, and then also this white claw clip. I'm also bringing this scrunchie just in case I want to put my hair in like a ponytail or like whatever. I don't think I showed you the sunglasses I'm going to be bringing. I am a sunglass fiend. It's kind of a problem. I'm like always getting new sunglasses, but anyways, I have limited myself to 3 pairs this trip. These are all from Francesca's. If you want to know where I get my sunglasses, it is primarily there. I'm bringing these ones, which are probably my favorite pair right now. And then I'm also gonna be bringing these ones, which are just so cute. They're very like, not really Y2K, but they're like, give that vibe. I don't know, they're cute, I like them. And then these are the third ones I'm bringing. They are like a nice cat eye. I really like these. They're very flattering on my face. I'm gonna be bringing Deodorant and perfume, obviously. This is my deodorant. It's just like the Old Spice, like Deep Sea. Smells really good. Honestly, it stays on all day. So highly recommend. This is the perfume I'm gonna be bringing. It's just a Bath and Body Works perfume. I have not found my moment with the perfume yet, and I just bought this, so I'm gonna just be using it till it runs out. And then 2 important things that I think I might have mentioned in my park bag video. If I didn't, it's definitely in last year's park bag video, but I'm bringing Tums and I'm bringing some Pepto-Bismol. You never know when you're gonna need it. I'm gonna show you how I fit everything into my bag. Well, we figured that out together. And then we'll be done. OMG. I have fit my toiletry bag. It fits perfectly in my suitcases right there. And so I'm just gonna put my PJs and my dress that I showed you earlier on top. And then I actually have just enough space to put the ears I'm bringing. And this will be a very interesting repacking experience when I have to leave Florida, but we're not gonna worry about that. I have finished packing. I've finished packing. Kind of. Okay, so that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for post notifications so you know every single time I post. If you would like to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is fitsbym. I will be posting so much on there. If you would like to follow things in real time before the vlogs come out, make sure to go check those out. I will link everything down below. I hope you have a fantabulous day, fantabulous week, and I will see you on Sunday. Bye!